Have you ever experienced difficulties skiving your leather? Well, if you've made sure that your tools are sharpened and you're still experiencing difficulties, we may have a technique that could help you out. Sometimes when leather is dried out, it can be more difficult to skive because the fibers are so brittle. Also, if you're working with a thinner leather, you might not want to run the risk of cutting through your leather. While doing our last leather project, we found a new way to skive difficult to skive leather. Since our wallet was created using a 2-ounce leather, we wanted to be careful when thinning our T-shaped pockets so as not to cut too deep into the leather. Our solution was to use the sanding drum on our Sailrite burnishing machine to carefully sand down the inside of our pockets. This trick perfectly and evenly thinned our leather without the risk of damaging our leather with a skiving knife. Leatherwork has many techniques and preferences, so we recommend using methods that work best for you and your project. So if you're having difficulty skiving your dried out or thin leather, make sure to give this method a try. And if you haven't already seen it, make sure to check out our latest leather project video where we make a bifold wallet. We've linked it down in the description below. If you want to see more DIYs, product videos, or tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss one of our videos.